Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Focus. So if you have a Ford Focus third generation, that should cover the years 2012 to 2018, and you're guys trying to find the sensor for your ambient temperature, which is the temperature outside your vehicle, the one that's displayed on the dash, we'll explain where that sensor is located. Super hidden place, guys, I promise that. Usually that sensor on most cars is located somewhere under the front bumper, and usually you can reach it from underneath, but on this one it's not there, so make sure you stay until the end. Quick introduction: we guys have more than 200 videos on Ford Focus third generation and more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop, because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let me show you guys where that sensor is located, and if you guys need to buy any parts or tools that we use in our videos, you can find, guys, the links listed in the description of the video below, so check it out if you need something. Doesn't matter which engine you have, guys, the Ford Focus MK3 2012 to 2018, your ambient air temperature, if it doesn't work, you're going to get inaccurate data on the dash that the temperature outside is inaccurate. It may say like -40, it may give you even a code such as P0173, sometimes, really depends. And as I said, most cars it's under the bumper. On this one, guys, however, if you go towards the passenger side mirror, I'm talking about passenger side, not driver side, passenger side, and if you guys look at your mirror underneath, okay, so far you don't see anything suspicious, right? But keep coming this way. What you see right here, guys, this is your temperature sensor right here under your mirror, guys. That little bitty thing, that's your sensor. So if you guys need to replace it and remove it, you have to remove the mirror and take it apart. Now we have the video on the channel how to do that. It's not very complicated, so check it out. We'll be making a video how to replace the sensor. We have a video how to remove the cap. You can already check that one out, but we'll make a video how to replace that sensor as well. If you guys need any questions, please let us know. Don't hesitate to leave a comment. Please give a thumb up if the video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.